crankshaft for a 17 and newer GSX-R 1000 from HTP. Your crankshaft is going to come like this, brand new in the box. On the top, you're going to get a full inspection sheet that tells you everyone from the start to finish of building the crankshaft. These two bolts, they're actually, if you can zoom in, they're a set screw, if you want to call it, or a plug, right? They have to be installed into the crankshaft. The crankshaft is cross-plane drilled. If you do not install these, you will have oil issues. This is brand new out of the box. The crankshaft is going to be full of cosmoline. I'm just doing this video to make sure that people do not miss this step. Okay. You guys can come in here and zoom in. Right here and right here is where these screws go. The crankshaft is drilled from the top all the way through, from the top all the way through. That's the way the oiling system works in the GSX-R 1000. So, you buy a crankshaft from HTP Performance, make sure you put these plugs in or your day will be over very quick.